Hey, it's Spence from LaunchFlows.com, and this is my fourth in a series of 5 videos that show our 5 key features in 5 minutes each. In this one, we're going to talk about donations and instant payments. So this allows you as a freelancer to either get paid exactly what somebody wants to pay you, or as a 501c3 or other charity, you can immediately get paid with a simple WooCommerce product or with a recurring subscription product, and you can even use it in combination with pre-made buttons. Now in this video, I'm going to actually show this component by way of the Elementor method. I've been showing the shortcodes for all the other stuff, but with this one, you definitely want to try it out with the Elementor. So we're going to start on the back end. We're going to create a free product. The reason we're going to make it free is so that somebody can donate anywhere from $1 up. And we'll call this donation or pay me product. You call it what you want. Similar to before, we're going to make this virtual. If I wanted, it could be a subscription. It doesn't matter. And we're going to start with 0. Then we're going to go to LaunchFlows, and like we did before, we can choose the custom checkout page that we want to make for this purpose and even drag and drop the layout. Or we're going to just use the default checkout, which I've been using thus far because that's the simplest way to go. Then we can choose a custom thank you page, which would be a great idea of where to send somebody after they donate. You can make something beautiful that gives all the information about what the charity is or what somebody should do with your freelance client. We'll talk about that in the 5th video. I don't need to select any of the other choices here, but I will give the product an image just so we can identify it. And in this case, let's put Spence on it. And I'm going to save it. Now we're going to need the ID of the product like always. This one's actually even simpler. So we just take the number here, 2219, copy it. And now we want a page. This could be a page, a post, could be in a lesson like we talked about where, hey, I just want to have you donate something. This is a widget, so you can also use it in any kind of Elementor layout. Let's go ahead and create a page, just a straight up page. And we're going to call this Donate Now page. Could be your home page, quite frankly. We're going to click Elementor this time, and we're going to go ahead and use the drag and drop widget. So I'm going to put a 2-column layout in just because, and let's also give this a little padding or something. So we're going to say, maybe give it 125 so it's not on the top of the page. What I'm going to do is 2 things. I'm going to first of all grab the LaunchFlows donation widget and just drag it into place. Here, all we need to do is 3 things. We put the ID in of the product. Next, we want whatever the button should say. So in this case, click to update or click to donate. Okay. And then here we want to say what in the box itself, I say donation amount. You can use whatever language you want because you're typing it in. And we're essentially done, but let's jazz it up a little bit. We're going to add a basic title. And we can put it like above or to the side, right? So, and maybe we want to change the style of that, which is again, another reason I like working with the page builders. And maybe we're going to put in a jazzy image. We don't have to get fancy here, but let's just put something in like a picture of Spence or something. So people know what they're getting. Okay, let's take a look at it. We're all done. When we preview this, let's do one other thing, actually. Let's save the page. So let's exit the dashboard and let's save it. Okay. Now let's look at it this way. Here we've now got the donation that allows somebody to add the exact amount. So $653.12. Click to donate. It will take that and throw it to the checkout page ready for them to go. If they want to change it, just give them a back button that goes to the same page and they can change it again. $987.15. If you want, you can also make a bunch of pre-made buttons like I've shown in this example here. In example 1, we have pre-made buttons that simply use the very same product, but they add the amount at the end. And it's really simple to do. So this is one example where I encourage you to actually use the free Elementor. You don't need the paid version, if not for no other reason, just in this purpose, because it gives you a lot more control over the look and feel and the action. And it's a super easy and fast way to use WooCommerce for taking donations and instant payments. I'll see you in the next video.